If you eat an apple from the tree of knowledge, you might turn into Sabrina. This is the most boring class ever! I'm so sleepy! Oh, I guess I overslept. What's with these new notes that look like strange spells? I need to erase them. Hot glue a black eraser to one end of a wooden branch. Attach leaf stalks around the other end of the branch. Wrap a thin wire around them. Color the stalks with the wire with acrylic paint. Paint the branch bronze. What an amazing eraser! It looks like a witch's broom. It's so cool! I can feel the magic power in me. The teacher lost her pen. It can happen to anyone. Here, take my fresh, cute chicken leg. Make a wire frame on a pencil. Fasten the wire with masking tape. Cut the wire to shape a chicken leg. And wrap it in polymer clay. Shape a chicken leg. Attach claws. Make skin folds using a toothpick. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Coat the leg and the pencil with acrylic paint. Holy math! Is this a real chicken leg? Don't be scared! This is my amulet to make me study well. This chicken leg is very useful for writing down new spells. Time for art! Sabrina really needs some glue. What? No one even has a drop of glue? Is this a school or what? I'll have to do it all myself. I'll conjure up the most magical glue in the universe. Cut a hollow in a cork. Put in a battery-powered LED light. Pour glue with coloring and glitter into a clear glass bottle. Pour clear glue on top. Close it with the glowing cork. Decorate the bottle with twine. My glue even glows! Amazing! This school has never seen magical glue like this before! Sabrina brought her cat to school. Salem can't stay home. He's protecting me. But the teacher is against having a fluffy student today. No big deal. I'll turn him into a bag. Put 2 pieces of black faux fur face to face and sew them together. Turn it right side out and add fur ears. Cut out holes for eyes and glue battery-powered LED lights into them. Add foam paper eyes on top. And a fur muzzle. A felt nose. And whiskers. Sew a chain to the bag to be a handle. Glue an elastic ribbon loop and sew a button as a fastener. Fill the bag and turn on the eyes. Whoa, Sabrina! That's a little bit much! You turned your scary cat into an adorable purse! Wait for him to light up his eyes! Wow! I'm convinced! Sabrina, can you look into the future and tell me my future job? Sure! My magic globe is telling me that you'll be a janitor. Huh, bad luck. Sorry, buddy, but the teacher is in the classroom. Put your magic away right now. Hey, it's not actually a magic globe. It's just a pencil sharpener. Separate a plastic ball in half. Make a hole with the hot tip of a glue gun in one half. Coat the inside of the ball with acrylic polish mixed with glitter and pearly acrylic paint. Apply the paint in a spiral to look like smoke. Glue in a pencil sharpener and close it with the other colored half. Attach a round bracelet to the bottom. That'll be a stand for our magic globe. As you can see, there's no forbidden magic here. I just predicted that my pencil will be sharp. I need to do my homework. Let's see what's in my notebook. There are only magic spells in here. Let's repeat them. Coat an old notebook with black acrylic paint. Make a pattern on the cover with puff paint. Coat the pattern with black paint after it dries. And color it gold with a dry brush. Glue a foam paper star to the center. Color the pages with a brown crayon. Make them look old. Attach a printed page with spells inside using double-sided tape. This book is very intimidating. Even janitors threaten Sabrina. Which? How can you say that? I'm just doing my homework. Time for art class. Sabrina's favorite. She can do magic with paint in her magical mortar. Rub an old wooden mortar with sandpaper and color it with black acrylic paint. Add signs and runes with a thin brush. Drill a hole in the pestle. Glue brush bristles into it. Color the pestle with acrylic paint and add patterns. I take out my ancient mortar. It's perfect for making artistic potions. And here are my favorite coloring potions. Rub a clear glass bottle with sandpaper. Prepare a few bottles of different sizes the same way. Apply gray acrylic paint using a sponge. Make the bottles look gold. Attach printed labels with potion ingredients. Cut corks for the bottles out of a wine cork. Pour acrylic paint into the bottles and close them with the corks. Now I'm gonna mix up a painting. Some unicorn blood and hyena tears. Done! The painting turned out very magical. What do you have there? It protects me from the evil eye. Or maybe it's a geometry logo. Fine, I'll accept it. I think I'm hungry. Let's see what's in my secret pencil case. Cut a hot glue stick into 4 parts. Put the sticks into the corners of a wooden blank box with a lid. Color the box with acrylic paint, outside and inside. Cut a stick of hot glue into little pieces. Use super glue to decorate the lid of the box with the pieces. Shape an oval crystal. Coat the pieces with pearly paint. Cut a rectangle out of cardboard to fit the inside of the box. Attach foam paper to it. Color the edges with acrylic paint. Hot glue a pencil and put the fake bottom into the box. Shade the corners of the box using silver paint and a dry brush. Glue a printed picture of magic formulas to the inside of the cap. Let's perform a lunch ritual! Yummicus appearus! Let's see! It worked! There is a snack in my secret pencil case. And my friend is jealous of my magic powers. I think the teacher noticed that I fell asleep. Wake up! Aw man, it was just a dream. But how can you explain a frog instead of an eraser? Cut a round hole in the belly of a rubber frog. Cut a board eraser out of foam rubber to fit the hole. Paint it to be the same color and put it into the frog. Add warts on the frog's back using acrylic paint. A frog at the blackboard? Nope, I'm just seeing things. Phew! I need to stop watching supernatural TV shows. Did you like our school supplies for Sabrina? Then comment below what magical school supplies you'd bring to class. A pencil sharpener with fortunes, a notebook with spells, or potions for an art class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new life hacks for Sabrina on Troom.